Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. If you spend hours editing a video only for it to look blurry, pixelated, or heavily compressed once you post it to TikTok, you are likely fighting against the app's default data saving restrictions. I have verified the latest quality settings, and I will show you exactly how to bypass the compression and upload crisp, high-definition videos right now. Let's get started. First, TikTok natively tries to save your mobile data by limiting upload and playback quality. To fix this, open your TikTok app, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Cache and Cellular section and tap on DataSaver. Make absolutely sure this toggle is turned completely off. If it is on, TikTok will aggressively compress your video during the upload process. Next, you must manually force the app to preserve your video's resolution every single time you post. Go to Upload a Video, add your caption, and scroll down to the very bottom of the final posting screen. Tap on More Options and scroll down until you see Allow High-Quality Uploads. Toggle this switch on. Keep in mind that this setting can sometimes reset itself, so get into the habit of double-checking it before you press Post. Finally, if you want the absolute highest quality, avoid recording directly inside the TikTok app. The in-app camera instantly downscales your footage. Instead, use your phone's native camera app to record your videos in 1080p HD at 30 or 60 frames per second. Once you are done recording, upload that file straight from your camera roll into TikTok. This prevents the initial quality loss and ensures your viewers see exactly what your camera captured. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.